Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm gonna jump straight into some DIYs for today's tablescape. I'm starting off with this plain card teapot centerpiece. So I'm using Dollar Tree skewers and I'm attaching playing cards to each skewer with hot glue. And I'm varying the height just by breaking the skewers in half. Next, we're gonna move on to a simple riser. I have a couple clear plates and Dollar Tree glasses, and using hot glue, I'm gonna attach the glasses to the plates and form risers. Each of the DIYs I'm doing today has a subtle Alice in Wonderland theme, a nod to Grandma Sandy. For my last DIY, topsy-turvy teacups. I got these teacups for 88 cents, and I'm attaching them with hot glue, stacking them one on top of another. The top teacup, I want to sit at an angle, so I use a small piece of styrofoam, and then I attach the last cup using a generous amount of hot glue. And there we have it. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So for this buffet setup, I'm using tones of white and green and all of my Alice in Wonderland DIYs. So I hope you like what I've put together for you today and that it gives you inspiration. Please let me know what you think in those comments. And to all my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays 23 is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Simply upload your Tablescape video and use our hashtag TablescapeTuesdays23 and we'll add you to the playlist. If you're enjoying today's video, do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I love decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls. You name it, I do it. Cause honey, you are getting the whole entire lifestyle right here. And if you like that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.